Today I wanted to review this Denon PMA-925R. Beautiful champagne colored amplifier. Beautiful. I already had this amplifier and I was a long time ago, 5 years ago, I had a black version, but I could buy this thing around my corner and I bought it and well, I think I paid too much for it because tomorrow I'm gonna sell it, but I will get less money back than I paid for it. But yeah, I was just curious about this beautiful thing and I thought I paid a good price, but in the end I will show you why I paid more, because I also bought this as you can see, CD player. I will make another movie from that another time. But then I opened this thing and I saw that this thing is brand new from the inside. Watch this. So this thing was in a cabinet. I only see a few, if you can see over here, a few spots, wet spots, like well, it feels greasy, like a Coca-Cola or something came inside, maybe a can, a popping can, some spots. I'm not sure where they come from, but it looks, because the thing doesn't have, as you can see, it doesn't have dust at all. I just opened it, didn't clean it, and this is what I saw. Beautiful. Okay, what is the problem with this thing? Well, this is the problem. I'm gonna show you. Listen to this. You heard that crack? And I'm not sure if I can repair it, because let me push out the thing, because this is the the potmeter. This is the potmeter, my friends. It is a potmeter with well, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but because this thing have a remote control, and I'm gonna well use my, as you can see over here, I see some things moving, so let me do another one. Let me see. Well, there's an opening here. Let me clean it over here. Yeah, okay. Let me see if it is okay now. I hope it is okay now. Well, guys, that was all. The crack is completely gone. Let me check the other pots. Okay, that was all. So I'm gonna place back this the hood. Beautiful. Watch this, my friends. This Denon PMA-925R. Yes, and it is a very strange, as you can see from this side when I turn my camera. It's a very strange potmeter, but the only thing what I did was I only here, yes, only here a little bit spray in this hole, yes, and over here in this little hole. I don't know if you can see it, in this little hole, one time and one time here. And I'm not sure which of the two did the job, you know, but I only did it here and a little bit here, that's all. And so well, the thing is now crack free, yeah, 100%. I don't hear anything anymore. So this was my video how to clean the pot meter, how to take away the scratchy sound, you know, from the Denon PMA in the volume knob. I'm not sure how the other knobs are looking. Let me see. Well, they are. Yes, yeah. This is a modern amp, my friends. This is. I think this amp is from the year 2000. I think a 17-year or 18-year-old amplifier, and they are not very simple to clean. The completely different amplifiers, my friends. Completely different amplifiers. As you can see, I don't see any pot meters. So you have here the balance, no, the bass and the treble, and I don't see those. They look very strange. Not sure, but anyway, very strange things. Anyway, I managed the volume knob. There's no scratch in the bass or the treble. I'm going to place back the hood and come back with the review on some flex I put on my phone, some new flex, and then I also will do, if I have time left, we'll do the review. That's why I bought the thing for this CD, this DCD 1015, a very good CD player, and I want to know how this thing sounds. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Put your thumbs up if you like it. For now I say ciao ciao.